America entered World War I, but many Americans were irate that we got involved in essentially that was a European conflict. In order to raise money for the large-scale war effort, the United States passed the War Revenue Act. Taxes were increased, and this increase of revenue went to the war effort. The government also issued war bonds, and these war bonds could be cashed years later. This raised money significantly, and America also went through a period of mobilization. Weapons of war needed to be built, and much needed labor was being used to build these goods up for the war. However, there was a need for soldiers, and American men were to be drafted. Any American man had to register for the draft, and there was a chance that they would be called to serve in the war effort. While that was going on, Congress passed the Espionage Act of 1917. If a person would actively engage in treason, insurrection, or forcible resistance to the American war effort, he or she would be arrested for violating this act as it went against American interests. Charles Schenck urged men to resist the draft and passed out materials telling men to resist the draft. He was arrested and convicted for violating the Espionage Act. He sued, and his case went to the Supreme Court. Schenck versus the United States. The court unanimously declared his conviction should be upheld, and his First Amendment rights did not protect him from the law, as his conduct was viewed to be a danger to the country.